Thank you.
Yeah, motherfucker know what it is. CK and this motherfucker getting it in with my motherfucking niggas LL and my motherfucking S to the dot. Motherfucker know what it is. Motherfucker in this bitch blowing dro. Fucking bitches. Waiting on motherfucking money to get through this motherfucker. You know what it is. We in a dirty hallway. Dirty dozen, bitch. Grimy, living grimy. See what motherfucker got on. White tee, blue jeans, you know what it is. My nigga got the goddamn Chicago Bears varsity jacket, you know. That's my nigga Conner boy. My nigga LL over there blowing the dro. Motherfucker know how he get down. You know what I'm saying? Motherfucker, this money right here on the phone, you dig? Yeah, I'm touching. Hello? What's up, my nigga? Shit, over here blowing and shit. Over here, blowing.
Sir.
Well, I've been calling your ass. You ain't even answer the phone, nigga.
Dodo.